Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Thursday. It's Thursday. I know I've used that, a few weeks ago. What do you do at 4 a.m. when you can't sleep? I put together my grocery list. Hey, I couldn't sleep. And the cat was like, what the heck? And she wanted to play at 4 a.m., so we played fetch. Yes, my cat plays fetch. All right, enough of that. Last night we were in Germany, not part of the expedition. I'm not going to do the German. It translates to German onion pie. Oh, I am so glad that I tried this. You saw the picture. You saw the whole, the scampi boat. I ate the whole thing. Yeah, gone. It's really good. I almost went to a sweeter onion for this, like a Vidalia, but I didn't, and I'm glad I didn't because you don't need to. If you use a really good yellow onion, you'll. Definitely a keeper. Try it if you like onions. Try this recipe. It's really good. Tonight, we're going vegetarian. We're doing a bok choy and mushroom stir fry. We're going back to Asia. Not part of the expedition, but just I haven't done a wok dish in a few weeks. So let's get to it. Champion is out. Yes, the champion has had a long rest. It's time to heat it up. So, obviously we have bok choy, mushrooms, red bell pepper, garlic, fresh ginger, a little bit of dark brown sugar. The recipe actually calls for regular old granular sugar. I'm going more traditional and going with the dark brown. The sauce, real simple. I got actually oil for the champion, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of cornstarch for thickening, and it's going to be garnished with a combination of green onions, white sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, and I will be serving this with or over noodles, lo mein noodles. So yeah, we're going a little vegetarian tonight. That's okay. It saves me money. Plus, I love a good veggie stir fry. I love bok choy, love mushrooms. Yeah, the only thing that's missing is onion, which I'll probably add. We'll see. Because I got some beautiful red onions from the Zong family still. All right, so on this Thursday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.